Relax lang.
Patungan din ako. Okay lang? The best experience we ever had right now with tropang from RGS and Raylord, huh? With tropang Raylord and tropang Juan. Alright. Next time magbalik din, libre na. Pagdala na lang ako na MP. Ayaw mo na?